Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. We are in the process of starting our seeds. We have gourds, watermelons, cantaloupes, and some more cucumbers. So the cucumbers in the high tunnel have exhausted themselves. We've gone ahead and pulled them up, and we are in the process of seed starting. You can start cucumbers now, and you can start your watermelons and your cantaloupes. And here in Texas, you'll still have plenty of time to get your harvest. So our sweet potatoes continue to prosper in here. My husband is having to spray them a little bit with some fungicide. But guys, we pulled up those tubs and they are starting to root very nicely. Hopefully we're going to have a great sweet potato harvest. So we also have done some seed starting on our tomatoes. They are going into some 3-inch pots today, and let me show you why. These tomato plants in the high tunnel are starting to exhaust themselves too. They are almost a year old, guys. We're still getting quite a few cherries on there, you can see. And so we're gonna let them peter out, and we're gonna pull these up, and as soon as those are ready in the 3-inch pots, these will all come up and be replaced. So I took a chance a little over 2 weeks ago, and you still have some time too, to put some zucchini seeds. There's 6 seeds in a 27-gallon container, and you can see, guys, it's doing fantastic. I'm getting some little bolts down there, so we're going to be fostering this, and I may end up with some zucchini after all. I did get about 2 or 3 fruits from my other plants, and they're still going, but they certainly don't look as healthy as this one. Our tomatoes are continuing to produce. These are the Romas. You can see I have quite a few in there. Got to get in there and do some pruning, but I think they'll probably exhaust themselves here in the next month. These will come up, and we'll get ready for our fall planting. And I'm excited to show you that my tower of power is coming to life. I'm starting to get little seeds up throughout these little pots. That's my lemon balm. This is some basil. This is the mullein. And I expect to see some of the others start to come up. Oh, yep, there's my chamomile. So I'm getting excited about this, guys. We do move it in the shade during the heat of the day, but it does get plenty of sunlight in the morning. So back to our seed starting. So again, my husband has started various pumpkin plants, various cucumber plants, some gourd plants, and various melons. So we hope to get these in the ground in the next week, and we think that we will get us a good harvest. We've already gotten, guys, about 5 or 6 watermelons from our front plant. They are tasty and they're beautiful, and we love them. But guess what's due to deliver today, we expect, is our Harvest Right freeze dryer. So I will do a video on that as we unbox it, and we'll go over everything there. But I wanted to give you a quick update. We're appreciating and enjoying the cooler temps. It's about 70 degrees with a slight southeast wind, and we're getting just a drizzly rain, which we desperately need right now. So we are going into July with a cooler time. Not sure how long that's going to last, but we'll take it. So that's the wrap for today. You want to go ahead and start getting your fall seeds on order, because you're going to start some of those here in the next couple of weeks for us here in Texas. That's going to involve your brassicas, which is your cauliflower, and your broccolis and your cabbages and stuff like that, which we will be starting here very soon. Thank you all for watching. We'll be in touch. Happy 4th of July, and I hope to talk to you tomorrow.